Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I bring to you another color recognition and logical reasoning activity for toddlers. Now this is a very simple setup that you can see in front of you. I have a basket with different colored balls, a printable whose link I will put in the description below, and 4 glasses. Now you can take any glasses that you have. I prefer transparent glasses so the child can make out the colors very easily. These are normal plastic glasses, and you can arrange it either in a 2x2 grid like this, or it can be in a row, whatever is convenient for you. The printable is in the form of a 2x2 grid. So all the child has to do is see the color and put the ball in that specific position. So over here we can teach the child a concept of a quadrant also. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Or you can teach the child leftmost, top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. So in terms of direction and position also the child is learning the colors. So over here in my top left I have the blue ball, in the top right I have the green ball, in the bottom left I have the yellow ball, and in the bottom right I have the red ball, and then the child can check. Next, you can say, now I need to put the red ball over here. What do you think I will need to do? So the child can take the red ball and switch the position with the blue ball. Okay. Next, the child has to put the yellow ball here, the blue ball here, and the position of green remains the same. Now of course this is the more tedious process. Another concept can be where, looking at the printable, the child simply changes the position of the glasses. So you have the green at the top, then you have the yellow, then you have the red, and then you have the green. So these are the 2 ways that the game can be played. Either you ask the child to remove the ball or empty all the balls into the common basket and then again rearrange the colors, or just switch the glasses. So this is a fun quiet time activity, and it is really good for color recognition. And instead of giving the standard puzzles, this is something new that your child can explore, and also you are teaching the concept of positions in a simple 2x2 grid format. Hope you like this video. Happy learning. Bye bye.